happy Wednesday. I'm here at home chilling. I woke up a little while ago. Yeah, I've been just hanging out here trying to upload the vlog from yesterday, but YouTube is like acting up so weird lately. It tells me that it's about 400 minutes and then it changes to 700 minutes, which is like ridiculous. You know, it takes like about 2 hours to upload, and I tried connecting it through my Ethernet cable through the modem and it just doesn't want to upload, so I just have to wait. But yeah, so I'm just hanging out here. Abby is still asleep. I'm about to make myself some tea and probably eat some oatmeal, I'm not sure. Catch up on some news. And yeah, George just called me. He said he's gonna be back with my dad. They just went to go do some stuff with my dad's job, and oh my god, there was just an earthquake. Oh my god, there was just an earthquake. I am not kidding, guys. There was just an earthquake. I was vlogging, and when I was talking, I swear there was an earthquake right now. Yes. No, I'm right here in the living room right now, and I'm like recording right now. I am right now, but I'm recording right now, so I'm vlogging right now as I'm speaking to you. Say hi. So I knew I wasn't going crazy because I just read it right now in the news. Look.
If you felt an earthquake a few minutes ago, it is true. A 2.9 magnitude quake struck near Carson about 10 minutes ago, 9:45. We're checking on it, and we'll have full information on our 1 o'clock show today.
It was a 2.9 at Carson. I was like, I knew I wasn't going crazy. But yeah, so I was like literally talking to you guys, and like that happens. I can't believe it. I got it on video. Yeah, so alright, I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. And yeah, one of my friends on Facebook posted 2.9 in Carson. Yeah, so that's a reliever. Alright, guys, so here's her breakfast: French toast, turkey bacon. That looks really good. I'm having 2 French toasts, some turkey bacon, and George is having 3 French toasts. So yeah, so we're about to have breakfast. And George is in the background.
There's some lemonade.
Oh, I wanted some too. Yeah, please. I'm still cooking it right now. It's almost done. So yeah, so we're gonna eat, and then thank you. We're gonna drop off Abby in a little bit. So alright, so we're walking, taking Abby to school.
Don't go that one, there's spiders in there.
With George.
So guys,
the weather is pretty hot today, and I'm wearing sweats. I don't know why I'm wearing sweats today. Thought it was gonna be cold. It's not cold. So yeah. So we're gonna drop her off, and we're gonna head to the park today. Do some workout. I'm gonna do the usual.
Mommy.
You know?
You're gonna do exercise.
Alright then.
Mommy.
Well, we're gonna keep walking.
Mommy.
Jesse, mami ya se va, ¿ok? Cuídate, pórtate bien.
She said because of the trees, and I'm like, why? Because of the shade?
This is a pretty walk. The nursery right here, right?
Wheels. Look.
The tires are back again.
The
That's why I
tires.
took
The
the
tires?
kids.
The big nursery right here. It's nice.
Look, see, he didn't even come this way.
Oh yeah, they're working. It's nice. And then this nursery goes really big, huh? It's like really, really long. Yeah.
On the other side. You guys could even call.
No, we can't because there's an exit over. There's no exit over there.
There is.
No, there's not.
There is.
It's locked.
You can still go through there.
They locked it then.
This side, they usually only leave it open.
Yeah, this is a really big nursery. They have a lot of stuff here.
También, fíjate, Pilo, las fotos que
Hi.
pero dicen que en una semana
Hi. Say hi. Give me a high five. Give me a high five.
estaba
Yeah.
cayendo el cabello de la quimioterapia que tenía, todo así peloncito.
What are you doing? Are you going through my purse? Yes?
Oh my gosh, se me olvida
Are you
todo.
going through my purse?
Mañana va a ser el velorio.
Aww. Hey guys, so we're on our way to my parents' house because my grandpa.
We're going to Grandma's house.
Can you turn off the light, please?
We're going to Grandma's house.
We're on our way to my parents' house because my
No.
grandpa is going to be there, and they're doing him a little, you know, little dinner, I guess, because it's already
No, I'm
4
going
o'clock.
to go
So
outside.
I'm like all with makeup on today and all
And
my hair
this is
done.
going to-
Where are you gonna go get the sodas at?
Oh, snap.
Forgot.
I did.
So yeah, we're gonna hit that way and we're gonna go pick up some sodas. And I made some pico de gallo. I don't think a lot because it's just gonna be my brothers and my sisters and the kids and us, and that's it. So yeah, so we're just gonna go pick up some sodas from Safeway and then head over there. And I guess we will see you when we get there.
Racing.
The kiddos got a car. Who's gonna go on it first? Abby. Oh.
I like the car.
Wait, who got it?
Dad?
Really?
It's just like
Here, I'll hold him. I'll hold him for you.
the pillows and
I'll hold
don't
them.
press on them. Don't move these pedals and having.
Take your hat out of your mouth, Mama. Take it out of your mouth. Thank you.
Okay, look. This right here makes it go really fast. Right here, look right here, look. Down makes it go back. So what does this do?
She's not gonna listen to you.
No, this makes it go fast. That makes it go back, okay?
Right here, Tina Belina had to do a little carrito.
No, she's
Get out of the way.
shy.
Do it, Lena.
She's shy
Out
of
of the
me.
way. And what about you?
I'm not shy.
She's shy.
I was one of
I
them.
mean, nutty out of the
I
way.
love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I love it.
You know, hey, are you gonna be before?
I never say bad words.
Okay, Mika. Look, you see my girl?
I'm serious. I'm not going to sweat it.
Come on, behave.
Go on, Lena.
Push it. Come on, drive.
So we're having tacos. I made what? What? Yeah, we're having tacos here, and then my grandpa's over there. He's eating. Sí, tía.
Look, the kilos there.
Tortillas. The what? Tortillas. Right here.
You're warming them up where, on the micro?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're eating.
Grandpa, my mom,
Me dicen con la boca abierta yo.
my tia. Why? Ah. The kiddos are eating over there.
Everybody, good morning, everybody. How are you?
No, you're always inside, bro.
So we're just chilling right here. They're just eating food. So my grandpa's here, and we're having a good time. Talking about the good old days. The brother. They're over there talking. Yeah. So keep chilling here. I'm not taking video. I'm like,
that hurt.
it doesn't hurt.
No, that light.
What will you do?
This was about noon.
Are you listening?
You see how she's holding on right there?
What's over la Lucy?
Oh my goodness. You're bored, yeah. Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? With your Laker hat, Laker sweater. The kiddos are playing, I don't know what, with the brooms. Racing with the brooms.
We're gonna start flying.
What happened?
We're gonna start flying.
We're just chilling here at my parents' house.
The summer rain is passing over, and it feels like a dream. I could run and look for shelter, but you hold on to me. I'm under your skies. I'm caught in your eyes. Don't you know you stop the room, and all that I can see is you. I'm standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime. There's so much that I have told you, but it's all in